So what I wish I'd known before getting into grad school. This is gonna be a quick video. I wish I'd known this stuff, but it's okay. I'm gonna teach everyone else. If you're new to my page, I'm in grad school. This is my last semester and I have my master's degree. First thing I wish that I'd known is that you're gonna be extremely close to your professors and your cohort members. In grad school, all your classmates is gonna be called cohort members because literally every class for the whole duration of getting this degree, you all gonna be together. So like I said, be friends, be nice to people. I messed that up already. If you've been following me and you've seen the whole journey of Days in the Lives, you will see that me and my cohort members do not get along. And I just really feel like it's jealousy. I always say this because my confidence is so high. I'm like, what's the other? There's no other explanation. And everyone in my cohort is black. And I go to a PWI. And then my cohort members, like it's like two other students that are close to my age. They do not like me since day one, and we always been clashing. The other guys in the classroom, okay, I'm just saying, I really feel like it's a lot of jealousy. It's a few older women, they always judge what I wear to class. So it's a lot that I've been going through, but if you're new and you're planning or thinking about going to grad school, I do suggest you go. I do suggest you go, but I'm just saying be mindful because all these cohort members are going to be with you for the whole entire duration of getting this degree. So I wish I know. Yeah, I really know that. So make sure that your professors or you know someone that can write you a letter of recommendation, because if you're doing scholarships, if you're applying for a PhD, you're gonna need a letter of recommendation, and make sure you know these professors. Make sure they know you, okay? Make sure you go to their office hours if you want. This is an iffy situation because like it was a struggle for me to get my letter of recommendations, but I found people, we got it done. But make sure you're nice to them. Make sure they know your name so they can write a nice letter for you. So that was very important. Now let's talk about the grades, because for BA undergrad, C's get degrees, but in grad school it doesn't. That's a fail. A C is a fail in grad school. So anything below a B, you're failing and you're gonna have to retake that course. That is stressful itself, just thinking about that, okay? So be vigilant, make sure you're studying, and basically you don't really have that much time for yourself, but still make time for yourself because it gets stressful. You know what I mean? If you have time to go to the gym, go to the gym, because like I said, it's grad school. It's not easy. It's not easy, and it's gonna be a lot of reading. A lot of reading. Grad school is completely different from undergrad, because grad school, like, you're basically teaching yourself. Like, your professor will assign you a book, a novel. You have to read that and make sure you're on top of the reading because it can stack on each other. And writing papers. That's basically it. That's basically it. Oh, it's so stressful just thinking about it. But I made it to the end. And now let's talk about time management, because that's very important. And I'm more so a free spirit. So this, like I said, this is my last semester, and this last semester all I have is one class that's actually a direct studies, and no one contacts you, so you don't know what's going on. You have to contact your chair. So I've been on, well, I don't like my chair, and it sounds bad. It seems like I don't like anyone in the co-work member, and then but it's a lot of nepotism going on. It's two administrators in my co-work, so of course they're running back to him, telling him things about me, and I feel like he has a bad taste in his mouth about me from them. Yeah, it's just dumb, petty. It's pettiness. Okay, it's pettiness. Okay. But okay, let's talk about time. Like I said, time management. So no one's gonna remind you to contact him. And for your last semester of grad school, you have to either write a dissertation, a thesis, or a project. So like I said, so for your last semester, you have to work on your dissertation. So either you do a dissertation, which is paper, or you do a project. It's still a paper, but it's not as long as a dissertation. Dissertation is about 70 pages, and I believe the project is half of that, right? And after you submit these papers, after you submit these 2 papers, you still have to defend your statement. You have to defend your paper for about 30 minutes in front of a committee of people, and you invited your people to. And I'm not there yet. I'm still working on my dissertation. Now, this is extremely important. I wish I'd known this, and if you're watching this video, I'm helping you. So the reason why it's a struggle for me right now for my dissertation, I'm doing a dissertation project thing. Was my second choice, and we're doing this now, and it's a little hectic because my original topic was denied twice by my chair. Now, through this whole program, when I first started this program, I had the same topic, even for undergrad, the same topic, and no one told me to change my topic. So all this time I've been just working, perfecting on that original topic from undergrad. Yes, I did. And my chair, me and him, been going back and forth over this until I gave in. Mind you, my chair, I should have been changed my chair. I should have reported him for everything he's been saying to me. Every meeting me and him been having has been more so hurting my feelings, more so degrading. Yes, this is a grown man saying, like, he used to say everything I did was BS. He would just listen to things on burning the bridges. But like, I'm just sitting in this, like, I'm going through a lot, right? Just dealing with this. And mind you, okay, this is not a venting, I'm just trying to explain it to you, but go watch my vlog. I can go in depth about this because this is really important. So anyway, I suggest find a topic before you, well, once you get into your program, find a topic that you want to talk about that's going to make you, that's going to have enough information for you to stretch this paper, because like I said, it's going to be 70 pages. And the thing is, once you're done, this will be published, but your school will own the rights of this paper. Your dissertation, your thesis, the school will own it. That's the only reason why I'm not really putting my all into this, because I'm like, hold on, the school will own it. You know what I mean? So I'm not giving all my secrets away in this paper. That's my logic. So that was a mouthful. So if you're thinking about going to grad school, I do recommend going to grad school or law school. You don't need a master's to go to law school. You can, after your BA, you can jump straight into going to law school if you want. And also, you can also skip going to grad school and go straight to the PhD. But when you're in a PhD program, they're going to make you work on your master's as well. So you need master's and PhD together. That's an option. I decided to just do BA, master's, and then PhD. I am applying right now. I'm just praying and manifesting that I get into this PhD program that I applied for. And if I do, I'm gonna be crying. It's gonna be happy tears. Okay, happy tears. So like I said, after your BA, I don't suggest taking a, okay, it depends. So if you, right after high school and then you go to straight to a 4-year university, it's okay to take a break right then and there if you want, because school is hard, I know. How I did it, after high school, I did go to a 4-year university. Some stuff happened. I stopped going to school for a minute, and then I went back to school, then got my BA, and then right after I graduated, I went straight to master's. So I took a little gap year. It's okay to take a gap year, but just get back into school. And a BA is nothing now. I'm not diminishing my degree because I worked hard for it. I'm just saying, like, a BA is like equivalent to a high school diploma now. So I do suggest, right after you get your BA, think about going to grad school or law school. Law school is about 3 years. And it's like 10 times more work. But like I said, law school or grad school, either one. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And it is rewarding. I don't feel accomplished yet because, like I said, I'm still in chapter 2 of my dissertation right now, and it's due in 2 months. And instead of working on my dissertation, I worked on it yesterday. I'm going to the gym, but do not be like me. I need to go to the gym to clear my mind because, like I said, it is stressful. now that's out. I'll see you guys in my next video because I'm just rambling at this point. But like I said, get some education. Get your degrees.